Alright. What does it say? F2 system setup. Initializing SATA ATA devices. Broadcom Extreme. Foreign configuration found on adapter. Press any key to continue or C to load the configuration. Dell PowerEdge. So I don't know. Loading lifecycle controller drivers. I don't know if there's software on it or not. Boy, it is noisy. Blowing some serious air out the back. Are you kidding me? That's loud. Is it gonna do that all day? Wow. You definitely got to put that in a room you don't want. Unable to execute CSIOR. I couldn't read the rest in time before the screen changed. Booting from PLDLS DVD-ROM. Booting from BRCM MBA slot. No boot device available or operating system detected. Current boot mode is set to BIOS. Please ensure compatible boot media. Available actions, F1 to continue, retry or boot. So I think this one's ready to have a system installed on it. Okay. So next we'll try this other one, but I just wanted to try this one first. It's super loud.